My husband just finished putting together this 4-shelf cabinet, and he said it was probably one of his favorite things to put together because it was so easy. You don't need any tools. There are no little pieces. Everything just snaps in together, as you can see in the video. So it was a really, really quick build. This is really great. So it is all plastic, which makes it nice because you could keep this outside. It's not going to get rusted. Of course, you could also have this inside. I'm kind of picturing this, putting this in the laundry room. I think it would be really great to be able to put all, like, you know, my soaps and everything like that. You do have the ability to put a lock right here. Of course, the lock is not included, but it just slides underneath there. And then I will open this up and show you. So as I mentioned, it does have the 4 shelves. These shelves here are adjustable, really easy just to pop off. And they're like just these little pieces right here so that you can adjust where you want to put them. But yeah, really durable, really sturdy. This is just under 70 inches in height, and it is just under 25 inches in width. And then as you can see, the diameter here, just under 19 inches. So, you know, it is light enough that you can kind of pick it up and move it to place it where you want to put it, but it is also really durable. This thing is great.